Now that we've read the Lewis and Clark's text, don't be afraid to reread. Take your time and answer all of the questions. You're going to be answering question 1, context clue question, question 2, details supporting chronological order, 3, chronological order, author's point of view, 4, 5, looking at the chart, 6, context clues, 7, main idea, and 8, how graphic features help us understand the text. And you'll notice after 8, there's a stop. Now, let's say it only takes you 10 minutes to do this. Now, it shouldn't take you 10 minutes to do this, but let's say it only takes you 10 minutes to do this. Stop. Do not go. You can do Lexia. You can read a book from the library and work on writing a book review. But you are not going to keep going because you do not have the directions. So wait for the timer to go off. Do not start the editing task before the video instructions. So again, you have 8 questions to answer, and these are all test-like questions. So we have lots of strategies that we work on all the time. So go slow. You have 25 minutes to answer 8 questions. Okay? Go slow. Read the question. Read all of the answer choices. Plug in for context clues. Don't be afraid to reread. List events in the order that they're happening. Cross things off if you know that they're not the right answer. But please stop if you're done before the timer. And you can do Lexia. You can maybe finish drawing your favorite memory from winter break, but do not go because you don't have the instructions for the editing task. So please take your time. You have 8 questions and 25 minutes to do this. After the end of this video, please press play for the timer, and we can get started on the Lewis and Clark questions. I know you guys are going to do great, and really take your time and take this test prep very seriously. Good luck!